Rocking with pettyblog.com.
It's your boy Silk D-O-double-G, and you are now watching the Petty Blog.
I can't be on the Petty Blog.
Petty and T.
Petty.
So they already know that I'm dropping the T.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So let's get right into this one verbatim, child, because otherwise you're gonna think that we're making this up or it's a hoax, and I can't make this up. And why would I? YSL RICO trial attorney arrested on gang charge. Atlanta, a YSL RICO trial defense attorney has been arrested on gang charge. Nicole Fegan, who represented Tanquarius Mender in the YSL RICO trial, was charged with criminal street gang activity and criminal solicitation to commit the offense of tampering with evidence.
2 charges: participation in criminal street gang activity and solicitation to tamper with evidence.
Fegan was brought to the attention of investigators during the investigation of a deadly double shooting at Williams and Baker Street on September 27, 2022. Investigators say Fegan contacted one of the people involved and told him about an active warrant for his arrest. Later, during a preliminary hearing, it was revealed that Fegan had told that man to dispose of his phone before police arrested him. Fegan was taken into custody in Gwinnett County and will be transported to the Fulton County Jail. Renee Rockwell, a fellow defense attorney, says Fegan is innocent of the charges and that Fegan has agreed to the $40,000 bond and was released from jail 10 p.m. last night. See, a lot of people thought that she was still locked up and has been saying free her, and here's why. Social media has basically fell in love with her because she's, well, a young thug, pun intended, as there is literally no other way to put it. This 33-year-old lawyer seems to have been living a double life. One where she's this professional and winning cases, and the other, well, thug life, like holding up invisible blickies and real ones, as you can see, we're not making this up, doing ratchet things like writing out broke on the ground with stacks of money, which she got from 50 Cent and accredited to, doing hood rat things with her friends and hanging out with what looks like Young M.A.'s cousin.
Period, fool. Period. I stop. Yeah.
And she's always mainly in her vehicle vibing out to trap music and shooting her invisible finger gun, and seemingly incriminating herself because, baby, what lawyer, especially a high-profile one, posts things that she posts?
This type of shit is what make a hater. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. Petty bitch, I'm petty too. Walking like that finger watch because I just beat the count. Pride is the devil. Nigga got a hold on me. Go check my profile. I beat the verdict.
You know, it's not the jail's job to punish people. People that are being held in jail without a bond are presumed innocent, and it's the jail's job to simply hold those people and bring them to court. Now, the fact that some counties are being put on lockdown and they've taken their complete kiosk machine, so there's no video visitation even for their attorneys, but keeping them from communication with their family is fucked up. Happy Valentine's Day. I am on my way to Cali.
Y'all, word to the wise, all these people on the street selling ecstasy pills, I haven't seen an ecstasy case in a couple years. All that shit comes back from the lab is meth. So, people think they're up rolling, but they really just up tweaking. It's none of my business if people do meth or not, but I'm just saying it should be your business if you do meth or not. I'm in full-blown trial mode.
Stella ain't never lose her groove. Handled court like a pro today. You know, the best story wins in a criminal case. And in order to present the best story, you have to know the facts, the evidence. The facts you can't fuck with, that's the bones. Then you add the meat. That's your story of innocence. You know, there is nothing better than when you walk out of the gas station and somebody be like, "Are you Nicole?" And you know, real shit, the world I live in, I don't even be one to claim myself sometimes. But then when he's like, "You might not remember because it was a long time ago, but you got me out of jail," that makes you feel good.
Every time we plead not guilty in the first place.
People play gangsta and police games at the same time. That shit is weird. That shit is weird.
Look at this.
Unreal. Now let's take a look at some of the reactions. This person said, "Free my son Nikki with the blicky." Oh wow. People were crying, laughing. This person said, 50, get her out, then make the documentary. This person, big stepper. Oh, you a stepper. This one, hey yo, them boys gonna have lots of content to show at trial, crying, laughing. This person said, Yan gone, you smart as F, but how the F you make a page with all this ish public? Forehead slap emoji, should have had a personal page. I love your little ass though. Under it, she fried herself with all these incriminating videos. This person asking Meek to help her because she was vibing out to Meek. Under that, I know she went crazy when they played Lifestyle in the courtroom. This person said, this from 2021. No way a black attorney would have been able to post some ish like this and not been fired immediately. And let me get this straight, y'all. She been posting these posts for years, because I guess ain't no shame in her game. Let's continue. This person wrote, I'm from the Bronx, born and raised in the Boog, and I don't got no ish like this anywhere. This person wrote, Thug going to jail for life. No, she a menace. This person said they coming straight to her page for evidence of her fraternizing with Gang and them, laughing my ass off. I mean, people were crying, laughing. This one said, free Nicole, we are gathered here today. Free Ube, and calling her all kinds of gangs. I mean, they were going and going. But I wonder if she could still practice law after what she did. And from what I gather, in the state of Georgia, a disbarred lawyer may not practice law again without going through the entire bar admissions process, including taking and passing the bar examination. Y'all think she gonna pass the bar? But yeah, so this is interesting. But what are y'all thoughts about this overall and the fact that they really arrested her? We want to know your thoughts, so leave them below. Like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit that bell and be sure to become a channel member. PettyBlog.com signing out.